Hi, Flit families. My name is Jyness of Brosier, and I'm a nutrition facilitator from GISD.
And I'm Shanna Moore, a nutrition coordinator at the Crim Fitness Foundation.
And today we're going to show you guys how to make a pot roast. In a small bowl, put the bouillon cube in 2 cups of hot water. Stir it until the bouillon cube dissolves. This will make 2 cups of beef broth. In a medium bowl, stir together the broth, allspice, and pepper. Peel and chop the onion to make 1/2 cup chopped onion. Put 2 tablespoons water in the pot. Turn your heat on medium. Put the onions, potatoes, and carrots in the pot. Simmer it until tender. Add the roast to the pot. Brown it on both sides. After one side is brown, flip the meat to the other side. Pour the broth mix over the meat in the pot. Cover and simmer for 2 hours.